See? Say, I am not entitled to public funding. See? However, public funding is paid by taxpayers. See, and I pay a high rate of tax, which is undeniable. You see me? Still, I would like to know what I pay tax for, what my tax I do. You understand? And who am I paying tax for? See? Because the tax I pay for the services, I pay for the services of British national and European people who never pay tax. Some of them never pay tax in England yet. See? But my tax apply to their, day-to-day social upbringing and take care and things like that. See? Civil servant and things like that. Basically, which is one of them who I was talking to the other day who needed their help. It was one of them who was telling they cannot help me because I am not entitled to public funding. So I said them can't even begin for talk to speak with me because I am not entitled to public funding. And I consider them thing there. Personally, and I consider them thing there as hypocrisy. A sort of robbery. It's like I feel like I pay for a service but I can't benefit. You get what I say? That is like, I don't know how anybody else will look upon that. See? Or how anybody else want to look upon it. But I nah demand benefit or ask for social housing or anything like that. See? In this speech here. What I point out is a high level of unfair treatment towards Jamaican, I believe. You see what I say? And I am not very well educated, but on a level I feel like a level of unfair inconsideration has happened in the process of applying these rules to Jamaicans. I don't know about anybody else because I am not anybody else. I know I am a Jamaican. I know what is applying to me and us as Jamaicans. You get what I say? So, it's we Jamaicans, me, I mentioned. We Jamaicans really love chat about certain things about abuse. We used to it from slavery and the whole thing, and we don't expect anything else and much but abuse. And I just that we are go through. As long as we get an apology and reparation, we still will be going through the abuse. So when I say, so most Jamaicans love keep quiet and stay silent about certain things, but I fight and know, say, you ask me, I ask our rights, because no matter what we do, I say, like, we don't want to give it. You see what I say? Yeah, end of the day, we Jamaicans did our part for Britain. We built London, Liverpool, and Bristol. You see what I say? We contributed to the development of Britain, modern day Britain. It's unfair for you to put other nations and race over us. It's racist. It's discriminatory. You get to me? I say it's ignorance. It's apartheid. One of them type of mentality. That's something you feel. Yes, Rasta. And I give thanks. And